Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by doing the precise cleaning steps. Wipe the screen with the alcohol pad, follow with the microfiber cloth, and lift remaining dust with the stickers. Once done, place the phone flat on a soft cloth and cover cameras and ports. This keeps liquid off sensors. Now open the Nano bottle and pour 0.5 to 1, 0 ml in the center of the screen. You do this because the liquid needs even surface contact to chemically bond. Once the drop is on the glass, take the provided applicator and spread the liquid in slow, circular strokes for about 20 to 30 seconds so it forms a uniform film. This prevents streaks and weak spots. Make sure to check edges for bead up and smooth them out immediately. Then allow the coat to level for 60 to 90 seconds. Next, you either use the supplied UV lamp or let the layer air cure for 5 to 10 minutes, because curing determines hardness. You finish by buffing the cured surface lightly with a clean microfiber to remove any haze or residue. This reveals the true clarity. Then perform a simple water bead test or a gentle fingernail check to confirm the coating bonded and is scratch resistant. If you find streaks, beads, or incomplete coverage, reclean the small area and reapply a thin amount only where needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if curing fails, increase exposure time or use the UV lamp. Insufficient cure causes tackiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.